How to fix Xbox not working on PC. First open Start and type PowerShell. Right-click Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administration. Now copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Reinstall gaming service. Restart your computer and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
Open Microsoft Store. In search type Xbox. If any update available in Xbox, update it. For me it was updated. Step 3 Open Xbox App Setting. Repair and reset Xbox. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.